Hi everyone, and welcome to Grand Rapids Quilt Week. We hope you're having a wonderful time. It is that time again to give away our Elna sewing machine, our daily giveaway. And I'm here with Maggie Rosam from Gall Sewing and Back. She's your local Elna dealer, and I'm going to let her tell you about her fabulous store and this wonderful prize.
Well, it's so nice to be here with all of you. We do have 4 locations. We have 4 locations here in Michigan. We have one here in Grand Rapids, one in Wyoming, one in Lansing, and then one in Muskegon. And the machine that we're going to be giving away today is an Elna 240. It has about 20 different stitches. It's great for your use in quilting, regular sewing. It does everything. It also has the ability to sew through multiple layers of fabric. So when you're putting your quilts together, it's going to do everything you need it to do.
Okay, so today's lucky winner is Sandra Harley. Did I say that right? Sandra Harley from Lansing, Michigan. Come on down. You're today's lucky winner. Congratulations.
I'd like to thank Elna for presenting me with this wonderful machine. I'm going to use it and be glad I came today. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. Congratulations, Sandra. Thank you, Maggie. And be sure to sign up. You could be tomorrow's lucky winner.